Looking to add more storage to your bed-covered pickup truck? Then look no farther than the XRS crossbar system by Rhino. These XRS crossbars are awesome at adding more utility and versatility to your truck. Having a bed cover is already a great way to protect and cover your truck bed, but building up with a crossbar system is the ultimate build out. These 4-core crossbars work with any standard hex head bolt, so mounting options are endless for gear, trail tools, or any of your outdoor adventure toys. Just asking for a friend, but does this mean I can buy more things to mount? Rhino's XRS crossbars are not only built for extreme function, but they also look so sleek. Designed for bed covers with T-slot rails, the clean line and fit cannot be matched. Their 6-inch tall uprights are just the right height to give you easy clearance to access your truck bed. They're also a great height for keeping tents and cargo boxes below the roofline of your cab. Plus, the added texture black coating looks great on any truck. Looks are one thing, but Rhino didn't stop there. These bars are built to haul. The steel construction allows them to carry up to 600 pounds static weight or 300 pounds dynamically. That's more than enough strength to carry your tent, gear, or anything else you need to haul. If you're interested in purchasing the XRS crossbar system by Rhino or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.